Hello everyone, Mr. Beltran here. With St. Patrick's Day just around the corner, I thought we'd do a little game called Pot of Gold. Alright, we're going to need a couple things to play this game. Now you're going to need a pot, or basket, or box, or container of some kind. Okay? And then you're going to need a gold nugget. A gold nugget can be anything that you can throw or toss. Okay? I'm going to use my favorite paper ball as my gold nugget. Okay? You can use rolled up pair of socks. You can use a stuffed animal. You can use a tennis ball. Just remember, make sure it's safe. Make sure it's okay with the adult in your house that you're using it, okay? We're going to place that container, or pot, okay, on one side of our space. Now, the bigger that container is, the easier this game will be. The smaller it is, the harder it will be, okay? So if you want to make it a little bit more challenging for yourself, try to find a smaller container, okay? We're going to take our gold nugget. We're going to stand on the other side of our space, and we're going to do an underhand throw, trying to make it inside of our pot, okay? Remember, when you do underhand throw, you want to take that arm back, step with that opposite foot, and then you do an underhand throw into your target, which today is that pot, okay? Since 4-leaf clovers are lucky, we're going to try to make it 4 times, okay? So I'm going to go over to the other side of my space. I'm going to take my arm back, opposite foot, underhand throw, and I made it into my pot. That's 1. I'm going to come grab it, head on over to where I was at again, and try to do it so I can make it 4 times. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video, try to do an underhand throw, and make it 4 times, and then when you're done, hit play again. Now that you've made it 4 times with an underhand throw, the next one we're going to do is a basketball shot. Okay? With a basketball shot, okay, we're going to hold the ball in whichever hand is our favorite. Okay, we're going to bend our elbow, bend our wrist, okay, have it up around shoulder height. The other hand kind of just stays on the side. It kind of helps with aiming, but it doesn't really do much with the shot. The shot is mainly from the hand that's holding the ball. Okay, remember when you're shooting, okay, you're going to bend your knees a little bit. We're going to just focus mainly on the arms. Okay. You're going to push with your arm and snap your wrist. All right, push with your arm and snap your wrist. Try to make it inside the basket. Again, we're going for 4 times. I'm heading over to the side of my space. Now, even though the basket is on the ground, I still want to pretend like I'm shooting it, okay, at a hoop that's up high. All right, so I don't want you just to try to throw it into the basket. I want you to try to shoot it so that the ball goes up like you're aiming in a hoop, okay? Try to make it 4 times. Pause the video, practice your basketball shot, make it in the basket 4 times, and then come on back. Now that we've done that one, the next one we're going to go for is kicking it into the basket, okay? For this one, we're not going to go with a full kick like we would normally on a punt or on a shot in soccer, okay? But what I do want you to try to do is make sure you're kicking that ball right here on the laces. Don't use the toes. Okay, we want to try to kick it right here on the laces. So I'm going to hold my ball. I got my leg that I want to use right here out in front. I'm going to drop my ball, and I try to hit the ball right on those laces to make it go inside the basket. All right, so here I go, off to the side, get my foot ready, drop that ball and kick it in there. Oh, got it. All right, again, we're going for 4 times, so go ahead and pause the video and try to see if you can kick it in there 4 times. One more way I want to try to get this gold nugget into that pot, we're going to hit it. Now I'm going to use a paper towel roll. If you don't have a paper towel roll, you can also use a toilet paper roll. If you don't have that, you can try to find something else similar to this that is safe and, of course, is okay with the adult in your house for you to use. If you can't find anything, you can just use your arm. But what I want you to do is make your hand flat and your arm straight as you hit it, so that you're pretending like your arm is the paper towel roll or whatever item you have. Okay, I'm going to use the paper towel roll. Again, trying to make it 4 times. I'm heading over to the side of my space here. Okay, I'm going to try to see if I can hit that ball. Well, I missed. Gotta try again. Oh, missed again. I'm going to try again here. Oh, having trouble. This one's a little more challenging. Okay. Oh, getting closer. Well, while I practice, I want you to practice trying to make it in there 4 times. Okay, pause the video. After you're done, I got one last challenge for you. Now that you've hit it 4 times into your basket, into your pot, we have one last challenge. This time, I want you to start from the beginning and do 4 underhand throws, trying to make it in there 4 times. Then 4 times, shooting it like a basketball. Then 4 times, kicking it. Remember, try to hit it off those laces. And then when you're done with that, 4 times, trying to hit it with your implement, whether it's the paper towel roll or your arm, whatever it is you have available to you. Okay? Try to see, you can time yourself and try to see how long it takes you to do all of them. So it would be 16 times total, okay? Because it's 4 times underhand throw, 4 times shooting, 4 times kicking, 4 times hitting it. Try to make it and see how long it takes you to do all of those. Okay? When you're done, as always, I want you to do those stretches. I want you to fill out the Google form, and I'll see all of you the next time.